Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gmail offline on desktop and mobile. So you can access your emails even without an internet connection. Let's begin. On desktop, sign into your Gmail, okay? Then click the gear icon on the top right over here. Then we're going to select CL settings. And here we will have various tabs. On the far right, we will have offline tab. Click on that box and make sure to enable offline mail. Click on that. Now, decide whether to keep offline data on your computer or remove it when you are not using it. And once you have successfully configured everything in here, click Save Changes at the bottom. Gmail will now store your recent emails for offline access. On mobile, open the Gmail app, go to Settings, select your account, and look for offline options to enable them, which is pretty similar to what we just went through here. And that's it. You can now read and compose emails anytime, even without Wi-Fi. This is perfect for travel or spotty connections. I hope you found this video very helpful.